What's going on, guys? I'm Hudson back at again with another video. Guys, this time I'll be talking about fidget spinners. It's my first one, and it has a So make sure you all subscribe, put on your post notifications to get every new video that I come out with, and and leave a like. All right, so I barely got this fidget spinner yesterday, I think, when my friend came over. My brother and my friend are playing Call of Duty over there, so sorry for the noise. This picture's logo, pretty cool, y'all. Zoom in on that. So how's that on the other side? And I'm just gonna be talking about them and stuff like that. So it doesn't spin very long. It's very smooth, and this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna spin it as fast as I can and let our stopwatch see how long it will take. Ready? Set. Okay, put it on. Set. Start. It's not slowing down. 18 seconds. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. If it hits a whole minute, you guys gotta subscribe. 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60 a whole minute. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. A whole minute and 20 seconds. Oh my gosh. Wow. Yeah, this is very smooth, y'all. Wow. Dang, I'm proud of you. Yeah, so that's all I want to talk about, y'all. That's all. Just I got my new fidget spinner, my first one. It's pretty epic, and for 1 minute and 20 seconds. That's pretty good. So make sure you all subscribe, leave a like, drop a like, and so you put it on your post notifications, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.